Hi, I'm Tom Freiberg from WWI Magazine, and we're here at the IFAT show in Munich, Germany. I'm pleased to say I'm joined by Bob Hill, who is from ANDRITZ Separation. Bob, good to see you.
You too, thank you.
So, Bob, for those who might not know, although I'm sure most do, what is ANDRITZ Separation?
Well, ANDRITZ Separation is probably the world's leading separation company. We're an OEM to many brands. We have about 2,000 separation specialists over 40 different countries. And we have represented various technologies throughout a period of more than 150 years in this industry.
So you got 150 years, and you mentioned the word separation there a few times, and we're hearing it a lot at IFAT, but what does that actually mean?
Well, separation means a lot of things to a lot of people, different things to different people. And if you go onto our website at andritz.com or the ANDRITZ YouTube video, you'll see a lot of examples of what separation meant to people and the way that the ANDRITZ products and solutions help to overcome these challenges they had. But we have a whole lot of things that we've done. For example, in Australia, we put in large screens at the start of a headworks in Australia to reduce the debris going into the plant to improve the overall process. And in Turkey, we put 6 Gouda paddle dryers in to take 600 tons of solid waste and turn it into a green biofuel. And these are only 2 examples of what we've done around the world. We've got a lot of other products that we use, like our centrifuge, our belt press, and of course our screw press that we have here at the show.
Well, on that topic of the screw press, let's go and take a look.
Well, what we have here behind us is our screw press. And ANDRITZ has a long history of building screw presses for industrial applications such as pulp and paper. And we took this vast knowledge and put it into a machine that would be suitable for the municipal market. It's a very simple, very easy machine for the market. It is a very slow turning, low power machine. We have a self-washing bar that means you can clean it without putting the machine out of operation. And basically, the simplicity of the machine, the slow turning of it, the low power and the low maintenance makes it an ideal solution for a lot of the dewatering challenges from our customers.
Okay, so we've had the screw press, Bob. Now let's take a look at the thermal drying, which is the next stage on.
Sure, we've got one over here. So this is an example of one of the 4 types of thermal dryers we have that we typically would use after one of our dewatering technologies. And we reduce the biosolids down to about 94%. So we turn it into a much smaller product and we turn it into a beneficial product. We use a lot of different types of energy. We recover a lot of different types of energy, and we have 4 different systems. This is one is the paddle. We also have a drum dryer, a belt dryer, and a fluid bed. All of them suited to recover different types of energies. And in a lot of cases, we combine these with the dewatering technology, and we provide a complete system. But it doesn't stop there with ANDRITZ. You know, we're also innovative in controls and monitoring and features. In fact, we have a couple of control systems. One of them is featured here. We have a centri-tune for our centrifuges, and we have a brand new innovation here called the RheoScan.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the RheoScan right now.
So this is a RheoScan. This is our latest innovation, and this is the first optical measurements for gravity belts and belt presses that's ever been produced. We have a light and a camera, and we use it to measure the condition of the sludge that's on it, and we adjust the polymer. On municipal plants, almost all systems require polymer, and polymer is a cost. It's a chemical and it's a cost, and everything that can be done to reduce that is good for not only the customer and its cost, but also for the environment. And this patented process is able to save, in some cases, up to 40% on their polymer costs. And actually, going into digesters, it helps to produce even more biogas, so it also helps to produce more gas through other processes as well. So it's a very unique product and first of its kind, and we're proud to be launching it here at IFAT.
So you've talked a bit about the screw press and the thermal drying and kind of the analysis side of things here. But what would your final words be for the market on separation and kind of moving forward?
Well, I guess my statement to the market is bring your separation challenges. You know, as an OEM to a lot of the major brands in the world, such as Gunnar, Bird, RF Gouda, and many, many others, we have the people, the processes, and the services to provide an excellent solution to whatever the separation challenge might be. So we are the separation specialists. Come talk to us.
There you go, you heard Bob. If you have a separation challenge, come and see him.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you, bye.